Hey everyone, this is Anunna here and welcome back to my planet. So in this video I am going to tell you some quick tips and some facts about Zanzibar Zen or ZZ plant, or some people call it Zuzu plant. If you already purchased this plant, then these facts are really help you. One more important thing, if you like this video or your issues are resolved by your video, then please give us your valuable feedback. That really helps a lot. So its scientific name is Zamioculcas zamifolia. So before knowing how to care it, you have to know its origin, or basically where it is come from. So ZZ plants are from tropical country like South Africa, South Kenya or Eastern Africa. So high temperature grapes and increase in leaf productions. First thing, that is watering. That's our common mistake, both overwatering and underwatering. Are you really exhausted about watering issue? Then let's talk about it. Especially for ZZ plant, its underground roots or stem that look like potato. I'm just trying to show you. Look at that. This potato-like structure. This is called rhizomes. That works like a storage of water, nutrient for the plant. Just take a look. Now coming to the next, how much water you should give. So good watering means water comes out from your drainage hole. In this video you can see this is drainage hole and your water have to leach out from your pot. That means all of your roots are across equal amount of water. You just clearly see water is coming out from the pot. That means this is good watering. Next thing is time interval between watering. In between summer and winter, basically in India, there is a huge temperature fluctuations. In this case, your water schedule should be changed during summer as well as winter. It can be done by using your finger test or eye test. Just check uppermost layer of the soil or coco peat. If it is dry, then you have to give water. Another accurate method is stick method. Just take a stick just like that and put the stick in the soil. Just you have see in this video, just like that you have to put this in the soil. So you can see just some coco peats are not falling off from the stick. That means some moisture are present now in the bottom part. So water only when the coco peat and soil are completely dry. So coming to next is sunlight. So your ZZ plant does not need any direct light or bright light, but it can tolerate morning time sunlight or medium light, or your light from tube light is also can be tolerated. But if you keep it in direct light, then it become yellowish. Its stem, its leaves become yellowish. You just going to kill your plant very slowly. But there are some fun facts about your ZZ plant. If you keep them in very dark area like a dark corner where sunlight could not reach for a long period of time, it can survive happily. Just you have to ignore her and she will grow like a crazy. So next point is why NASA is recommending it as a best air purifying plant for your indoor. So indoor air quality has become one of our major concern Nowadays we use more plastic, more luxurious materials, more cosmetics. That means we just increase our CO2 level or the VOC level. That VOC means that volatile organic compound that are really harmful. Not only harmful but also it very harmful for our body. So some VOCs are carcinogenic in nature. That carcinogenic means that helps cancer production risks in our body, like formaldehyde and benzene, etc. So according to NASA report, ZZ plant helps in cleaning the indoor air by absorbing pollutant such as xylene, toluene, CO2 and formaldehyde, benzene, etc. So next point is reporting. ZZ plant is very slow growing plant. Does not need a frequent reporting. When you see roots strive out from your pot, you just report it one big size than present size container. Otherwise, do not report it. If you see these yellowish leaves in your ZZ plant, that means your ZZ plant is under watering, or you just keep it prolonged sunlight exposure. So this problem suddenly appear in my ZZ plant. Leaves that is this brown scar surrounded by yellowish scar. That is your ZZ plant are under attack of bacteria or fungus. Just you have to cut all of the infected leaves. Otherwise it will spread your whole plant and you will just kill your plant. Or you may change the soil mixture, that will really help. Okay, so some bonus tips for you all. Do not fertilize your ZZ plant frequently because it is a slow growing plant, and keep your ZZ plant leaf clean with a wipe towel. So there are some points and tips and tricks about ZZ plant remaining. We cover rest of them in another video. There is no doubt plant improve a home aesthetic value. Surrounded with greenery reduces your stress, anxiety, increase your productivity. So that's all about today. Thanks for watching. Keep growing plant, keep our earth green and be happy. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.